Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin is reporting an increase in inflation. Statin says for the 12 months up to the end of October, inflation, that's point-to-point inflation, was 8.5%. This is the highest since October 2014, when inflation reached 8.2%. This was equaled last month. Now October marks the third consecutive month where inflation has exceeded the Bank of Jamaica's 4 to 6% target. Increases in the cost of food and non-alcoholic beverages, transport and housing, water, electricity, gas and other fuels were the main contributors to the increase. Inflation for October was 1% compared to 2.3% for September. Now in September, the Bank of Jamaica increased its policy interest rate to 1.5% in a bid to curb inflation. Now the bank is to announce its next policy decision tomorrow. Sagicor Group is reporting improved results for the 9 months up to September this year. The company shared the details of its financial position at a press briefing this morning. Sagicor Group says the company's results continue to strengthen with just 1 quarter remaining. Head of Sagicor Group, Christopher Zaka, shared the company's improved profit position.
For the 9-month period ended September 30th, the group generated net profit attributable to shareholders of $13.03 billion, which is a 26% increase when compared to the corresponding period last year. In the third quarter, the group recorded net profits attributable to shareholders of $8.18 billion, a 37% increase over the comparative 2020 period.
The group also earned more revenue over the period.
Total revenues generated were $73.15 billion, being $12.95 billion or 22% higher than prior year. A significant contributor to this growth in revenue was an over $6 billion improvement in gains, realized and unrealized, that were driven by price recovery in marketable securities and an increase in activity in our securities trading.
Mr. Zaka also gave an update on the group's insurance segment.
Our individual life insurance segment reported very strong results underpinned by new business sales and portfolio growth. However, in the group insurance, which is our employee benefit division, premium and fee income growth was offset by increases in benefits paid, a direct result of rising medical costs and death claims as the pandemic continues to impact our portfolios.
Year to date, Sagicor Group has paid out roughly $25.2 billion in insurance payments, with about 10% of those payments being COVID-19 related. Now on to currency trading. It's now costing an average $156.30 for $1, $126.10 is the going rate for the Canadian, $210.87 is the going rate for the pound, and $181.99 for the euro. The JSE index lost 379 points today, while the junior market index lost 35 points. Among today's winners were T-Tech, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, Nutsfed Express, Siboney Group and Panjam Investments, while on the losing side were SSL Venture Capital Jamaica, Iron Rock Insurance, Stationery and Office Supplies Limited, ISP Finance Services and 1834 Investments. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Regional and international news are after the break. Stay with us.